Hey everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to chat with you about a really cool car that we've got coming up in our auction on Labor Day weekend. So we have a 3-day auction, September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. On the second, day 2, we are selling without reserve the entire Rockhound collection. And there are some phenomenal cars in that group of cars. And one of my personal favorites is the one that I'm standing by right now. So this car is a 1964 Ferrari 330 GT2+2, and lots of things I like about this car. The first thing, the most obvious thing you see is the color. Ferraris are known for being red, but more and more increasingly there are so many collectors now that are wanting the rare, the unique, and I think this really fits the bill if that's something that you're looking to do, is get rare and unique, is this color. Hardly any were made at the time. What I love most about this car is that this car has never ever been restored. It's entirely original, only about 3,200 miles from new, known ownership history from new. It's a Platinum Preservation Award winner. So as we stand here, it looks like a car that might have been restored 10 years ago. It's not. That's the original paint, the interior is original, everything about it. Like I said, Platinum Preservation winner, which is a massive, massive award for one of these great cars. Second thing I like about this car is because of that originality, there's just something about great cars with good bones that drive so much better. I love restored cars. I love old original stuff even more. It still embodies exactly what Enzo and the people at Ferrari wanted to accomplish to this very day. One of the great road-going Ferraris, V12 power, one of my personal favorites. Come see us in Auburn. It's one of the greatest collector car weekends there is. Labor Day weekend. See you there.